Hello YouTube friends, welcome to another amazing episode brought to you by RugDoc. In this episode, we are going to be looking at some of the best Phantom farms, well actually not the best, just some random Phantom farms on rugdoc.io. So whatever you guys do, remember this is not investment advice, this is just for entertainment purposes. I have no exposure to these farms, we are not sponsored at all, so let's take a random look and dive in. So, before we dive in, what exactly is Phantom? Phantom, in short, is a decentralized, permissionless, open-source smart contract platform for dApps and digital assets. In short, it's an Ethereum alternative. Now, this chain has actually been around for quite a while because it released its mainnet back in December 2019. And recently, the Phantom coin has taken a huge spike up, along with its popularity. So with this hot chain in mind, let's actually dive into some of the farms here. Now, to do that, all we have to do is go to rugdoc.io, scroll down, and then click on this drop-down right here that says Filter by Network. Now we can click on the Phantom checkbox, and then we'll be filtering by Phantom farms. Alright, now the first one that popped up here is a new farm called Phantom Berry World. Now, we labeled this farm Some Risk, and if you guys don't know our risk rating system, head on over to our website and click on this button that says Free Money. You're actually not going to get free money, but you can read all about our risk rating system right here. A few notes about this farm is that it is a poly-yield fork with 100,000 token max supply. Now, it's not behind a time lock, so that is kind of a risky factor right there, but there are max 4% withdrawal fees, and it correctly accounts for transfer taxes on any token pool. Now, the thing about this farm is regular withdrawals will fail once the max supply is reached, unless emissions and or multipliers are set to 0. So keep that in mind. Once the max supply is reached, you might not be able to withdraw regularly. Now, let's go to the website and check out the farm. Now, as we can see, there are a lot of nice berries on there. This actually looks like a Beats logo right there with berries on it. And it looks like it hasn't released yet. There's 21 hours and 56 minutes and 50 seconds as of this video. Now, Phantom Berry World, it looks like a cool standard farm with the same interface as PancakeSwap, where you can earn a crap ton of APR, 97,000 plus. And according to their announcements, they are listed on Ape O'Clock. There's Phantom Berry World right here with their contract and their Telegram right here. Of course, it's on the Phantom chain. And let's actually check out their Telegram, because that's one of the things that I always do before I ape into any farm randomly. Now, one of the good things here that I see is that there is an active admin that's answering people's questions. That's always a good sign to see. If you don't see any active admins, that's a huge red flag, because you can tell that people don't actually care about the project that they're doing, and they don't care about the community. Now, also, another thing to note here is that there's only 164 members. I personally would like to see more members in a farm. However, this could be a play where there can be some low liquidity pools because nobody's aping in there because there's not many users. Now, we can see there's only $25,000 locked in the farm right now, and it hasn't even started yet, I think. So that could be a good sign that there's going to be more when the time comes. Now, they do have an audit button here on the website, which we can check out here. And nothing. So, yeah, maybe they audited themselves and they said they're okay. That's perfectly fantastic. Now, let's go to the dark mode. Now, we're in a dark farm here. Anything else right here? We do have their docs. Let's check out their docs. Then we do have their fancy logo, Beats, introducing Beats by the Berry Farm right here. And of course, there are some normal documentation things that you want to see here, like the tokenomics. Yep, 100,000 max supply, initial mint to 250, some other stuff that you want to check out right there. They have their farms right here, and then they have their contracts. And of course, there's no time lock contract because the time lock is not set up yet. Yeah, and their audit section is empty, and they don't have any plans here for any upcoming audits, or maybe they do, but they just didn't put it here. And hey, at least they have an emergency withdrawal documentation with all of their farms right here that, you know, they have their address right there in case you need an emergency withdrawal for some reason. I would definitely double check, though, in case you do need to emergency withdraw, because sometimes they might not be accurate. So make sure to double check that in case. And if you head on over to the Farms tab, you can see that they have 6 farming pools right here. There's not a whole lot, but you have their USDC, Wrap Phantom right here, among some others. So you gotta pick and choose which one you like if you're gonna ape into this farm right here. Now you can actually head on over to the pools. You'll see that there's more pools right here. We have the DAI pool, which currently has $1,900 lock liquidity, still giving 800% with a withdrawal fee of 4%. Of course, 0% on their native Berry token. We have the Bitcoin pool and BNB, which is giving insane amounts of APR right here. over 1 million because no one actually put any into these farms yet. You have the Phantom USDT farm, USDC, Link, and Wrapped Ethereum. Not bad. However, the APR for this Link one, I gotta say, is already quite low with only 25% APR. I guess that's because someone already put in 22,000 worth of Chainlink tokens in here. So that farm is pretty much dead. Okay, enough berries for now. Let's actually go to this PaintSwap farm and NFT marketplace, which we did label as high risk. Now, it's an NFT gallery marketplace and yield farming site. Unfortunately, most of the NFT related contracts are unverified, so we are unsure of their safety. Ooh, that's a big risk right there. Now, the MasterChef looks to be rather customized and has uncapped withdrawal fees of up to 100%. The withdrawal fee variables are not public, and so they cannot be checked on the MasterChef contract. Now, although this has been running for almost 4 months now, this unverified contracts and uncapped withdrawal fees problem makes this a high-risk rating. So good luck to you if you do decide to join. Now let's check this out. Now, I like their graphics. They're actually kind of cool with the PaintSwap, and you can see the brush right here. And they have a total value locked of over 5 million. So yeah, it seems like this farm is a lot more popular than the last berry farm, and they're still going strong. I'm guessing it has a lot to do with their NFT features. Now, if we go over here to the NFT showroom, let's actually check that out and see what the heck is going on. Wow, so they have all these different kind of NFTs right here with the painting loading screen. Now, we loaded some of their NFTs. They're currently going for 35 whatever, I think those are 35,000 of their paint tokens right there. We have some cool looking NFTs here with a Boo Kitten and a Bruce the Goose and a Devil, which looks like a classic randomized generated NFT right there. So yeah, they do have a very functional looking NFT marketplace with, I guess, auction system perhaps, because there are some timers right here on the NFTs as well. Now, one cool thing here is I can create my new NFT right here. It looks like a pretty standard creation system like other ones. I'm guessing like OpenSea or other ones use a very similar setup right here. So you can choose your own file, which could be an image or MP4, put your name, description, attributes, and create your own NFT right there. There's also this collections tab where you can discover featured collections from the Phantom community. Let's check out this nice Baby Boo cat right here collection and check out what they have. Here's a Baby Boo kitten crew. I like the graphics right there already. And nice cats right here with the Boo kittens right here. Apparently they have their stats up here. Total volume 456 of this token, which is about 10.8 thousand Phantom token. And the floor price is about 70 Phantom tokens. So yeah, these Boo kittens are cute and they're not too expensive right here. There's a king cat right there. That's hilarious. Also, oh, these cats are really cool. Not financial advice, but hey, I like the look of these cats and these Harry Potter cats, so I might take one and have a cat in the future. So yeah, these are really cool looking. I like these cats. And I like they have this collection tab because you can see other collections as well. We have Ancestral Umans, Bruce the Goose, of course, and then some other different collections. I think the community can make these, right? So yeah, discover feature collections for the Phantom community. I guess the community members can make their own collections and stick them on this this NFT. Yeah, I'm not gonna comment on that. Okay, now going to their farms tab right here, you can see that they have a withdrawal fee of 0.5%. It looks like there's no deposit fee right here, but yeah, it looks like they still have some APRs that are in the hundreds percent, so it's not that bad. And of course, we can see that their native token is called Brush right here. Now, they do have one pool only, and that is the Brush pool right here, where you can lock it for 23.69%, or just stake it for an APR of 11%. Yeah, so they do have a locking system on here. I can see you can stake it for 1 day up to 5 years. I'm not sure about the 5-year one because I don't know if I'll ever get my money back. But yeah, you can select these different options. Let's say if you compound it again, 17 days, 14 days. Here's the calculator. You can see how much that you would earn. Apparently, they have a game here called Ross Studio. Explore Ross Studio and create your own painting. The Brush entrance fee will be burned to benefit all users. Now, if you actually head on over to their Discord, they actually have quite an extensive Discord server set up right here. There's an archive with Ross Studio comp on here. I guess this was a competition back in July where you can see that people actually made their own Ross Studio creations. Let's actually take a look at a random one right here. This guy said you can blame $24 for this one. Let's take a look. Okay, it looks like some kind of vortex or like some some like Windows desktop thing that comes pre-installed on your computer. Yeah, okay, interesting. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Okay, cool. I guess you could like make some different types of paintings that are, or unveil the paintings with your paintbrush that's already kind of in the background. So it was white, and then you can upload your own image or something and then paint it and make it appear. Okay, cool. Now we have JetSwap right here, which is a very low-risk farm because we do like JetSwap. They've been around for quite some time. I'm not going to go over that, but that's also an available option on the Phantom network. We have Frog DeFi here. I'm not a big fan of frogs because I think they're kind of slimy and gross, but who knows? Maybe this could be a cute farm. Let's see. They do have a medium risk from us. Their Master Chef is currently not behind a time lock. The token ownership was not yet transferred, but I guess they already did. Now, it's a Full Sail fork. If you guys remember, Full Sail Finance back on the Binance Smart Chain and network, that was quite a very unusual farm that got very popular, and then developers kind of just said bye-bye, and we didn't hear from them anymore. So, yeah, they have their own AMM set up on the Binance Smart Chain, but the router is not yet set in the token address. So, yeah, I mean, there's a lot of different stuff here. Let's just go to the website. Okay. This Frog DeFi, yes, I remember actually aping into this one. Oh my, it's been a while. I think, yeah, this was first on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. And I guess, wow, they branched out a lot. So now they're on the Phantom network. I can't believe they're still around because this Frog DeFi, I thought it was just a joke. I mean, come on, look at the graphics. It looks like some kindergarten preschool. They might have this on their wall hanging up somewhere, but... yeah, they're still going strong on the Phantom network. Yeah, and if you switch to the Phantom network on this tab right here, you can see that the farm launch hasn't even started. It starts in 11 hours as of this recording, and the total value locked is only $118. I guess everyone else kind of forgot about this farm just like me right here. But we can see in their announcements right here, 11 hours ago they made an announcement. Frog DeFi, Polygon, open now. So I guess they also branched out on the Polygon network. Here's another announcement, which was 11 hours ago. Yeah, the Polygon farm starts. They did start the farm on the Polygon network, I guess. And now they're starting on the Phantom network. So yeah, they have their own farms right here. We have the Phantom Curve, which is giving, that's a lot of APR right there. But yeah, it looks like there's a lot of APR on these farms because I guess no one's aping into them right now. $70, dollar liquidity. No liquidity right here, but yeah, there's a lot of opportunity to get some high APRs if these APRs are quite accurate. Now they have the pools here, which is you got your trusty FUSDT and USDC pools, Sushi, Curve, Link. You have your Wrapped Phantom, Wrapped Bitcoin, and your Frog native token right here. Now they also have a referral system where you get 2% commission, and they have this feature drop down with automatic liquidity pools, automatic burning, harvest lockup, and when you click on them, they do describe their features and what they're all about. And of course, they have their audits and reviews tab, reviewed by RugDoc. Yes, we did review them. Community review, soon. Tech, forget that. You don't need tech rate. So yeah, if you like some frogs, then here is Frog DeFi. Now, there are a lot more farms on the Phantom network. I think we have time for maybe one more. Let's check out this one, audited by Paladin, and has some risk. Morpheus Swap has a Master Chef that's currently not behind a time lock, max 4% deposit fees, and this was posted on September 9th, so it could be quite a bit late, but let's check it out anyway. Of course, it's the Matrix. Morpheus Swap is a yield farming aggregating protocol powered by Phantom. This looks pretty awesome, not gonna lie. Let's actually go into the app. So yeah, even though we posted this review almost a month ago, this farm is still actually doing pretty good. Over $20 million value locked, and then their announcements are pretty active. 8 hours ago, they just reached $20 million in total value locked. Huge thanks to our devoted community in achieving this huge goal. That's pretty amazing. Now, their emissions, you can actually see this nice chart right here, which I really like. They show their emissions right here. 48.27% of the tokens are already minted. I'm guessing the max supply is 2 million right there, and they're already almost at 1 million. Now, they have a circulating supply of 94.59%, which around 5% are actually burned right now. Neopools, farms, and pools are the key things I see on the left. Let's actually check out these Neopools. So these Neopools are just like the cake pools on PancakeSwap, where you can stake cake and earn other tokens. In this case, you're staking Morph and earning other tokens. You can earn Scream, earn Die, and earn Ice. And the APRs are not bad either. You can go to their pools tab right here, check out their pools, which are definitely in a updated Pancake Swap style. You can also check out their farms right here. So yeah, guys, that's Morpheus Swap. Now, I think we're kind of running out of time here, but there are so many other farms on the Phantom Network. If you want to check them out yourself, you can definitely go to rugdoc.io or ask us any questions on our Telegram channel, which you can join by joining the link in the description below. As always, guys, stay safe in the DeFi space and have an amazing day.